Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to put data validation to ensure accuracy and save time. Now, what is data validation? Let me explain you by taking you to the Google Sheets. Now, as you are clearly able to see over here, these are the different categories that we have already selected. So first what I'm doing, I'm selecting entire categories. I will be going in data, and over there you will be able to see data validation. So click on data validation. Automatically you will be able to see my cells have been selected, that is F12 to F29. List from a range, change this particular part to the list of items, and then show drop down list. That means via data validation, I will be making use of a drop down list. How drop down list will work? See over here, the repeated items, I'm taking it off and just putting a comma sign. Shopping once, other, restaurant is already there. So yes, restaurant should be deleted. School is not there. Keep school. Car is not there. Keep car. Shopping is there. Yes, delete it. Utilities not there. Yes, then car is the utilities, and let me see others. Perfect. Now click on save. As soon as you click on save, you will be able to see a drop down box is created over here. From here, we can directly select rent a restaurant, etc. So that again and again, we don't have to just type the spellings over there, which will be a huge time consuming activity. So just in order to maintain accuracy of our data, we are going for a concept called as data validation.